Yes, that's true. I just wanted to know if you like my new haircut.
Oh. Mr. Monster might look different than us, but that doesn't mean he's scary.
Oh.
So, what does everyone think of my new hairstyle?
Wow, that's our concept. I would hear that.
My work here is done. Goodbye, everyone.
Yes, so the day is safe thanks to Super Martian Robot Girl.
Company, right? Is it a camera actual technology from light?
Roby loves to color.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
They were marketing some sort of camera you could buy,
I love to color.
Yeah.
Cake.